Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Only Mathematics Nothing Else. So in this lecture we will discuss some questions and their solution. So let me begin. Question is prove that sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x equal to cos x. You have to prove that. For that we will start from LHS left hand side. Sin into n plus 1x sin into n plus 2x plus cos into n plus 1x cos into n plus 2x. We can multiply and divide by 2. So divide by 1 by 2 and multiply by 2. Result will be 2 sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x plus 2 cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x. Further we can write it is in the form 2 sin a sin b 2 cos a cos b. So 2 sin a sin b. Formula is cos into a plus b minus cos into a minus b. So cos into a minus b minus cos into a plus b we can write, because minus we can multiply minus 2 sin a sin b. So we can write it as cos into a plus b minus cos into a minus b. Further 2 cos a cos b, it is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. Formula is cos into a plus b plus cos into a minus b, So in that form we can write it as half cos into a plus b a minus b minus cos into a plus b, and here cos a plus b a minus b. After solving half into 2 we can write 2 cos a minus b. After solving this term can be cancel out, cos into n plus 1, these two terms cancel out and resultant will be this one. So result will be 2 cos of n plus 1 x minus n plus 2 x. 2 will be cancelled out. Result will be cos into n plus 1 x minus n plus 2 x. Result will be cos into minus x, and that will be equal to cos x. That will be equal to RHS. So proved. Next question we will discuss. You have to prove that cos into 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos into 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus 2 root 2 sin x. Cos a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2. So LHS you can look cos into a plus b a plus x minus cos into a minus x. So we can multiply, we can write cos a minus cos b is equal to, we can put in this formula minus 2 sin a plus b. A is this one, b is this one, a plus b divided by 2 and sin a minus b divided by 2. After solving, result will be minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 and sin x minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4. We can write 3 pi by 4 pi minus pi by 4 into sin x. So thereafter minus 2 sin pi by 4 sin x. 2 minus 2 into sin pi by 4 is actually 1 by root 2. So we can put here into sin x. Ultimate answer minus root 2 sin x equal to RHS. This will be the result. Next question, you have to prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x sin 10x. Sin a plus sin b equal to 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2, and sin a minus sin b equal to 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2. LHS part is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Simply you can write sin 6x plus sin 4x and sin 6x minus sin 4x. You can multiply sin a plus sin b. Obvious, you will put in on that formula 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. Sin a minus sin b 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 and sin a minus b divided by 2. After solving you will find 2 sin 5x cos x 2 cos 5x sin x, 2 sin 5x cos 5x you can write, and 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Result will be sin 10x, and 2 sin a cos a sin 2x. So that will be sin 10x and sin 2x, that will be equal to RHS. Proved. In the same way you can solve these questions as well. Same type of question as previous question number 12. Now question number 14 we will explain. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Simply from LHS we will proceed. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to sin 2x plus sin 6x. We can write both like as plus 2 sin 4x. Sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. Since you know this formula, 2 sin 4x cos minus 4x, actually minus 4x divided by 2 minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x, 2 sin a cos b plus 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x can be common, cos 2x plus 1, 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 1, 2 cos square x plus 1 plus 1, 2 sin 4x, that will be equal to 2 cos square x. That resultant will be 2 to the 4 cos square x and sin 4x. This will be the result. Next question is prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x sin 5x minus 3x. Simple LHS is cot 4x sin 5x plus 3x. Cos 4x divided by sin 4x you can write. And sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. On that you will put and you can write in that form. Thereafter cos 4x divided by sin 4x. 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos b you can write. Result will be 2 cos 4x sin x sin 4x sin 4x cancel out. 2 cos 4x 2 cos x, that will be equal to RHS. Now RHS, you can solve RHS part in the same way. If you will solve, you will get 2 cos 4x cos 4x cos x, so LHS equal to RHS. Next question is you have to prove that cos 9x minus cos 4x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 4x. You know that formula, cos a minus cos b minus 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2 sin a minus sin b, 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2. LHS is this one. Cos a minus cos b you can directly put in that formula, and you can write minus 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2, and sin a minus sin b you can put on that. You will find this one. After solving you will get minus sin 2x divided by cos 4x, that will be equal to RHS. Next question is you have to prove sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x, that will be equal to tan 4x. You have to prove that. Sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2, and cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by. On that formula you can directly put 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2, and cos a cos b you can directly use that formula, and after that you can find 2 sin 4x cos x, 2 cos 4x cos x, that will be sin 4x by cos 4x, that will be equal to tan 4x. Next question is you have to prove sin x minus sin y and divided by cos x plus cos y, that will be equal to tan x minus y divided by. Simply sin a minus sin b you can use formula 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2, and cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. You can take a LHS part and use formula sin a minus b, 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2 cos x plus cos y, 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. After solving, 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by sin x. This can be cancelled out. Cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x. The result will be 2 to cancel out. Result will be sin into x minus y divided by 2 cos x minus y. Result will be tan into x minus y divided by 2. Next question. You have to prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equal to tan 2x. Same type of question. You can solve by help of question. Next question, sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x. Use formula sin a minus sin b, 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 sin a minus b divided by 2 cos square a minus sin square is cos 2a. Directly use that formula, put on LHS part. After solving you will get 2 sin x. Next question is prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. You can take LHS and you can solve. Separate it, two terms, cos a cos b plus cos 3x sin a sin b plus sin b sin 3x. Use that formula cos a plus cos b. Use that formula 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2 plus cos 3x. 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2. Use these two formula. Thereafter, after solving, you will get this term, this term, this term, you will get the result. Next, question number 22. Prove that cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x, cot x equal to 1. LHS part is this one. Cot x, cot 2x minus cot 3x. You can take cot 2x plus cot x. You can write like that. Now cot x, cot 2x minus cot into 2x plus x, you can write cot 3x. Now cot 2x plus cot x. Cot x, cot 2x minus, you can write cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot 2x, and you can multiply cot 2x plus cot x. Result is same. Since you know cot into a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b. After solving, you will get this result. Result will be 1. Next, question number 23. Question is, you have to prove that tan for x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan for x. Simple question is tan 2a, you know, equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square x. LHS is tan for x, you can write tan 2 into 2x. Formula tan 2x, you know, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Simple, you can put like that, write like that. 2 can be common out. Tan 2x, you know, 2 tan x divided by tan square 1 minus tan square x. You can use that. Now 1 minus tan square 2x, you can write 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Thereafter, after solving, you will get 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, and here 1 minus 4 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. After solving 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, you will get these results. So simple question this is, that will result will be RHS. Now question number 24. You have to prove that cos for x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. LHS is cos for x, you can write cos 2 into 2x. Now 1 minus 2 sin square 2x cos 2a equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. So you can write like that. Thereafter 1 minus 2 sin square 2x, you can write 2 sin x cos x whole square, because sin 2a 2 sin a cos a. 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, that will be equal to RHS. Next question, prove that cos 6x equal to this one. Cos 6x, you can write cos 3 into 2x. For cos 3x, you know, cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. You can write on that form. 4 can be common. Cos qx, you can write 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x, you can write 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 2 cos square x minus 1. Thereafter 4 2 cos square x whole cube minus 1. After solving this, you will get that 4 can be common. 8 cos square cos 6x minus 1 minus 12 cos 4x plus 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. After solving, you will get 32 6 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Now, next type of question, you have to find principal and general solution. I have explained already basic concepts. What is principal solution and general solution? You have to find out principal and general solution of tan x equal to 3. Simple, it is known tan pi by 3 equal to root 3. Tan 4 pi by 3 equal to tan pi plus pi by 3. You can write tan pi by 3 equal to root 3. Therefore, the principal solution are x equal to pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Now tan x equal to tan pi by 3. So x equal to n pi plus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Therefore, the general solution x equal to n pi plus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Next question, principal and general solution of equation sec x equal to 2. Sec x equal to 2, you know, sec pi by 3 equal to 2, sec 5 pi by 3 equal to sec into 2 pi minus pi by 3, sec pi by 3 equal to 2. So x equal to pi by 3 and x equal to 5 pi by 3 as well. So sec x is equal to sec pi by 3, cos x equal to cos pi by 3. Now x equal to, what would be the value? 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, n belongs to. Therefore, the general solution x equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 3 and n belongs to z. Next question, find the principal and general solution of equation cot x equal to minus 3. Cot x equal to minus root 3. You can write cot pi by 6 equal to root 3, you know. Now write cot pi minus pi by 6.